we're making a fried potato and egg sandwich. So this is a one whole large size potato boiled in turmeric and cut into cubes. Now I'm adding one boiled egg cut into cubes. Now green chili chopped, quarter of a green chili or quarter teaspoon after chopping. Then coriander leaf, break into small, around 3 to 4 branches of leaf. 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Now mozzarella cheese, around 30 grams or a half a cup. Ideally you need 50 gram of mozzarella cheese. You can use cheddar as well. Now mix it. If you want, add crushed pepper powder. So now use a whisk, just crush it everything. So now this is a good texture. Is it good enough? Check the seasoning. If you need, add the salt. So now for the sandwiches, I got the toasted bread ready and I removed the crust. Then I made a batter out of corn flour, flour and water. The recipe is 4 teaspoons of flour, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, then half a cup of water. So mix it thin. If you want to add more water, make it. And then before you put all the water in, you make a thick paste out of the same thing. And then that I'm now place the mixture onto the bread. So once the bread is done nicely, you can press it and make it into the shape of the bread, but leave an edge. The one to cover, you can apply mayonnaise onto the bread. You can use on both sides. Now place it on the top, just press it down. Okay, leave it like that. So now how we seal the edge is just take the batter, put it here. So that will seal the edges and then press it. Now here you can see all the sides, all the edges being sealed properly. So even the cheese is melted, it doesn't come out. So now dip the bread in the batter. Now fry in a very hot oil, just slowly dip it. Now we can turn the sides. So once both sides been turned golden, so ideally both sides you give 2 minutes each. Take it out slowly and keep in a kitchen towel. So once it's fried and crispy, just rest it. We're going to cut it. So we can see inside nicely melted cheese and the filling. Now we can present it in a nice way. Dust it with a bit of chaat masala and that's ready.